Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. January 15th, 1929. Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15th, 1929 at 12 p.m. to the Reverend Martin Luther King Sr. and Alberta Williams King in Atlanta, Georgia. February 25th, 1948. Martin Luther King Jr. was ordained to the Baptist ministry at age 19. June 18th, 1953. Martin Luther King Jr. married Coretta Scott and settles in Montgomery, Alabama. October 19th, 1960. Martin Luther King Jr. was arrested in Atlanta during a sit-in protest. August 28th, 1963. Martin Luther King Jr. leads the March on Washington, which was the largest civil rights demonstration in the history, with 250,000 people in attendance. He makes his famous I Have a Dream speech December 10th, 1964. Martin Luther King Jr. wins the Nobel Peace Award and is the youngest person to ever win it at age 35. April 3rd, 1968. Martin Luther King delivers his I've Been to the Mountaintop speech. He was speaking during the Memphis sanitation strike after 2 sanitation workers were crushed to death in the backs of their garbage trucks because that was the only place they were allowed to find shelter in the rain. This was the last speech he ever gave. He was killed the next day. April 4th, 1968. Martin Luther King Jr. was shot and killed while standing on a balcony at the Lorraine Motel by a sniper in Memphis, Tennessee.